Hi everyone, at Digital Colmer here, and I'm with my trusty whiteboard. And today we're going to talk about the machine learning pipeline. So, welcome back, future AI wizards. Today we're blasting off on a journey through the machine learning pipeline. Buckle up for a 3-minute ride that will skyrocket your AWS exam score. Okay, here we go. So imagine your machine learning project is a rocket and the machine learning pipeline is your launch sequence. So each stage is crucial for a successful mission. So let's count down. 3, 2, 1, let's go. Over here, data collection. We're fishing in the data lake. Cast a wide net, but be careful not to catch any bad data fish. So data collection is the first piece. We then have data pre-processing, shown as a washing machine. Time to do the laundry. We're cleaning, we're transforming, we're folding our data into neat little packets ready to be used. Over here, we have feature engineering that I depicted with a chef because we're in the kitchen now, chopping up our data into the most flavorful features. Don't forget the secret sauce, haha, i.e. the chef and the good tools you're going to use. So the knife, you could think of like SageMaker. Excellent. Down here, we're into, let me move the board a bit, like training. This is model training illustrated by my weightlifting paraphernalia. Welcome to the AI gym. We're pumping iron with our algorithms, getting them fit for the main event. We then want to look at evaluation, model evaluation. It's talent show time. Our model takes the stage and we score its performance. Is it a 10 or do we go back to the drawing board, back to training? And then finally, down the bottom, that's evaluation. We have the launch down here. This is the exciting part. So lift off. We're ready to deploy our models. Our AI rocket is ready for the real world, ready for inference. We're launching it into the production stratosphere. But wait, there's more. The machine learning pipeline isn't just a one-way trip. It's a continuous loop of improvement. Monitor, feedback, and iterate. So important that we have monitoring in our production environment. So let's now talk about Amazon SageMaker. It's like your mission control for the entire machine learning pipeline. It provides tools for every stage of this launch process, from data labeling all the way through to model deployment and, of course, monitoring. And of course, here is our case study down here. DB Energy uses a machine learning pipeline to enhance sustainability and reliability of their power grid operations. Very, very important in this modern age. So, an exam tip, remember the order of the pipeline: collect, pre-process, engineer, train, evaluate, deploy. It's like making a sandwich. You wouldn't put the bread on last, would you? And just to remember, I have that as a little acronym over here: pre-process, train, evaluate, deploy. Not sure where the E comes from. Clearly, that's my mistake. CP-TED, there we go. A little bit of a recap. Machine learning pipeline is a continuous process. Each stage is crucial for success. SageMaker supports the entire machine learning pipeline. And don't forget about our DB Energy case study. And there you have it, wonderful people. You're now ready to launch your machine learning pipeline missions into the world, into space. Remember, in the AWS exam and in real life, understanding the full pipeline is key to AI success. So don't be afraid to dive a little bit deeper into the details. And don't forget the AWS well-architected framework machine learning lens, which will also help you. So don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out our other AWS AI Practitioner series videos. Until next time, keep your pipelines flowing and your models growing. This is Digital Colmer signing off.